Hey, well, I can't call it. Well, the garage man here, he getting ready to work on the garage. You gotta bring his stuff in. Let me go help him. Cause I'm in a terrible house. Gotta bring his own ladder. I told him I had a ladder, but he gotta do his own. Well, look at this, big boy. Look at your boy and Dion there. Your boy truck, Dion them camper. I got the same ladder. Mine is a lot taller. I'm vlogging.
Thank you very much.
Right on.
Oh my God!
I got you. Let me get you to turn the fan on. I want you to be real stuffy in here for right now. So it was getting, it must have been broken anyway because it's been doing that for a minute.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You feel it?
Yeah.
I know that's right. Matter of fact, I'm even. But yeah, so anyway, you get ready to put that up. I ain't gonna sit here and watch him do the whole work. I mean, I might sit in here, but I ain't gonna just keep the camera on him. So anyway, now I come back and show you that it's fixed, that he finished it. So I'll see y'all in a minute.